Time to play some video game. Where's my TV? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Doze! Why do you have my TV outside, Doze? You could have just played it in my room. How did you even get it out here? Oh my gosh.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs? Yeah!
We're totally dogs!
Yeah, both of us!
Don't be blue-blue!
You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little mama, let me rub.
Oliver, are you gonna get a pup cup? Where is it, Ollie? Where is it? Is that it? Is that your pup cup? My goodness. Is that good, Ollie? Is that good?
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
I gave my dog a chocolate chip cookie and now I think he's gonna be sick. Don't do that! Don't eat the chocolate chip cookie, it's not good for you.
Yeah, oh. I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm sorry, dog. Anything to be TikTok famous. 1, 2.
Noah, you throw that dog in the pool and you're going back to live with your mother!
Lucky bastard.
You cannot have the candle. You can't have it. No!
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie.
Oh God!
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey. You're such a good singer.
What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm not fucking taking care of no more fucking dogs. Any fucking more.
There's been a lot of comments on one of my last videos about how your pets have been reacting to the coyote call.
So I'm going to do it again. You guys post how your pets react.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
I get her.
What in the fuck is this?
That's it. All right, Theo. Yes. Okay, Rocky, ready? Rocky, ready? Yes. All right, my turn. Ready?
There's been a lot of comments on one of my last videos about how your pets have been reacting to the coyote call. So I'm going to do it again. You guys post how your pets react.
Sorry, I'm leaving. Here's a popsicle. Ah, Raja, not the whole thing. Take a bite. Good boy. Give me a beer. Go close the fridge. Go close it. Close it. Good girl.
Okay, find it. Yay!
Dude, do you know that people are calling you dog perfect? Hey, bud, do you know where your ball is? Oh, no, okay, I found it. Hey, there you go. Oh, you know, this is kind of gross. I don't really want it. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Woo-hoo.
There's been a lot of comments on one of my last videos about how your pets have been reacting to the coyote call. So I'm going to do it again. You guys post how your pets react.
Sit. Stay. Okay. Don't eat this. No. Okay. Don't eat this. Okay. You promise? You promise? Be a good boy. Okay. Stay. Don't eat it. Did you not eat it? What a good boy.
Kitty thinks you're crazy.
Kitty has a collar on.
Close the door, Karen, so that cat doesn't end up running inside.
Hi, Kitty. Hi. Oh, hello. Yeah, honey, Kitty. That's one big kitty.
Never been that close to a cat before.
Well, she knows Aaron's cats.
That's true. The cat.